No, if you can't me go number one candy, I go class me candy with the lash. I go say auntie, best of 6. I don't. Yeah, candy senior. Candy senior. Are the same thing. Yeah, I from candy and you come and ask me if me a rank. I wonder what we're going to talk about tonight. Because from man, you do not pressure me. We don't know that Sunday is a family person and Sunday is a family day. So when time when see me and my family them lay down in the bed on Sunday, when you don't even ask, because I had to get up this morning, I had to wash, I had to clean, I had to cook, and then 25 said to me, say, babes, come let us lay down in the bed and watch a matinee. I'm say, people, after we're watching the matinee, and we're watching the matinee, and the first matinee finished, and the second matinee start, me say, babes, have him on in my panty. Babe, put him on in my panty. I'm say, when babes have him on in my panty, and I say, babes, what you doing? The time is too hurt because it never overcast yet, you know. Me say, and babes, I play with something down there, you know. It feel funny and I get so fuzzy. And I had to say to myself, oh, babe. And then what I realized is that a babe draw the blackout curtain. I thought power cut. I thought it was power cut. When babes draw the blackout curtain and babes use one hand, you know, I said babes use one hand and draw the blackout and one and still rest in my middle section. And then I was starting to wonder what babes was up to. And then babes just start caressing my body. And it was so dark inside. Only the televisions was our only source of vision. And then suddenly babes take the remote and go clock, click, clock. And then everything went pitch black. And it was like the darkest thing ever. But babes didn't leave my side, you know. Babes didn't leave my side. You never juggle your clits. You have Friday and Saturday for juggle your clits. So today you're not hungry. You come and talk about auntie my one dinner. Like you hear say me an idiot girl that walk and feed worthless all. Eh? Me not walk and feed the push broom underneath you, know, girl. You come and talk about auntie you want some dinner. Dinner, like you know how ingredients spell. You ever book it up in a history book, not history book? You know about ingredients? You know about all-purpose? You come and talk, you ever visit market yet unless you pass through and you not grab nothing not even kick away. You come and run up your dirty mouth but auntie you want dinner. Hey, come on for me, man. You go like you design pan clothes. You go like your tag. Move your nasty self but auntie you want some dinner. After you see me and my man inside, we cook and we eat and we belly food because we watch all matinee. Go on here, girl. Yeah, come on, enough of yourself. Enough of yourself, yes. You know, say your son in trouble, me. Tell the little boy, say, me no Michael Jackson, me no walk and promise toddler Neverland. Because you come and ask who trouble me. Your little boy trouble me, you know. When I text it from me, I look like Mary Poppins. I walk and read nursery rhyme to baby. You never pass me, I'm older smell like canteen, I don't cook the children. So what you say? Because we want to get this thing out of the way quick and fast. So when you ask who trouble me, check beside you, your offspring. Oh. Do something right now, out of order, I send my wheel. You can't bribe me, that my man want me. My man have a wheel I walk with. So Keisha no get bright. My man have a wheel I walk with. Sometimes I wake up, I'll wheel under my eye, you think a bag. No get bright. Said me no see creature for come disrespect me. Cause see the man I give my politician there when me don't know about. Me don't know who them I give me. I'm not doing the man job. Yeah, my picture, like me, I go be. Why? It look like me, I go be Batman for everybody in the world. Can't But yeah, sometimes you sign up for some job, you not even know where you sign up for. Because how could an angel break my heart? I said today was a tiring day. Yeah, I cook up a storm. What are you doing, Braxton? Please hold that, make me proud. Be real. Be real and make me want to cry. But I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Be real and make me want to cry. I'm not doing it. If nobody else on the program feel moved. Nobody else on the program I feel like when the address change. That moved me a while ago. I feel like I tell you thanks in a one different language. I'm a voice that remember. Baby, thank you so very much. And I'm so happy I never rude to you yet in her life. I never know say lion still around. I never know. Thank you so very much, baby. I feel like baby myself. I just feel like I have a bag of manners. I don't know where it comes from, but I feel like I have a bag of manners. I feel like I walk and respect the world. I never know lion still a roar. Thank you so very much, Be Real, for this kind. Thank you so much, Be Real, for this kind accusation. Thank you so much, Be Real, for this kind accusation and this perpendicular extravaganza evening. Thank you. Thank you. Be real, y'all look me. Y'all look me, be real. Y'all look me, but remember 25 in the house. Enough is enough now. Y'all look me. This is lookments. This is lookments. Little more filing. Look here, lady, me full up. Man, make the boy fat up my eye. Man, you make him beat up my eye. Y'all look me now, man. Fear is fear. How could an angel break my heart? Let's say enough is people them. We have speak out the real. We have speak out your thoughts. 25. Your security friend of the Western Union, you can't collect money from him? Yeah, your security friend. Can be that like you collect this in the night, yeah. So you can go to town in the morning, go buy the shoes where you did ask me for. Yeah. Everybody I use them TikTok money, man. As a trend. I know. Man, you never forget that shoes there. You have a party for go weekend. Me ensure say me take care of him because Mr. Shana, she use her money and take her 10 times, so we don't want nobody take her in. Yeah man, I want my filing work out for him. Yeah, but he did want to go to embassy go get him visa, you know. But him a fingerprint. Him buy clothes Friday. Him buy clothes Friday, my love, you want to see me and him a walk downtown and they will go to one store named Signature. Yeah, that they right in front of the lot. Yeah, my love, when you go past Signature, you want to see me and him walk in a Signature. The boy take down about 5 suit. About 5 suit the boy take down. Yes, my love. Me do what I can for him. Cause you know, say sometimes them not too happy, so you do what you can for them. And me did one blouse weekend, you know, but me just put him first. Yeah, me just put him first. Me buy the blouse after. So tomorrow now I'm going to buy him shoes. And he need to say want a slippers, and I have to go stay upon live long. If you say I want a slippers too, I don't like buy him something them separate. I don't like buy them separate. So I go ask, you know, can I want a slippers too, you know. So I go ask, you know, if you don't have no money you want to use, you don't put me in mind, Here, put me in mind, please and thanks, here. Come in and like when you buy something them separate. Cause sometimes it stress him out, you know. You see, I like tomorrow. Yeah, thank you. Discover, thank you. Thank you, Discover. Thank you so very much. Why me like people like you, you see, man? Me like people like you. Thank you. Your man him can't get the shoes and the slippers together. And now what you may even talk same one do him teeth, you know. And what you, but come here, 25. So when you buy the shoes and the slippers, you now go trim. Yeah, you go want trim. You go want him I want trim too. You go want trim. I want trim. And the appointment barber I'm going on. Cause the rest of walking barber them give the wing worm in him head when him did young. So him got a pint barber. You know you have to make an appointment. Yeah. You have to make an appointment. Boy, Discover, God bless you. Thanks for buying the slippers to me. Thank you very much, Discover. Yeah, work for my relationship. You happy for me? Yeah, man, you happy for me. You know, say that lady in a bad mind? That lady in a bad mind? Yes, Discover. Thank you, Discover. But me not think one money gun can trim him. No, man, you know about barbering. You didn't get one in a barbering. Oh, Discover, that's nice. Boy, you have some talented people for my program, you know. She get one in a barbering, so you know, you can't go a barber now. Yeah, so when you buy the slippers and the shoes, you got a barber. What you saying? You want one different cologne for wear? Oh, you want to smell different with them new out? Oh, you want to smell different? Bobby, you want to smell different. You don't have no use cologne for your dresser. You don't have no use cologne. Come on, man. Me see Annie do it. Me see Annie use that talent and mine, man. So what Annie use that talent and mine, man. Come, at least me come to know with the truth, with all fairness and honesty. When I always ask me for my man, and you want to go. So supply needs according to the riches in glory. Supply him need a car now. No, him don't need a car because he can't read street sign. He might go to school September. He might go to school September. Him go approve school. He might go to school September. Him can't read. I ask him to spell his name with the and good God. The amount of vowel when him name. The amount of vowel. Me have to just call him Voo. 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 Jamal not open again. Bobby, I wish for your run Afghan. Jamal not open again. Jamal do open again. Yeah. Voo. Yeah. Me not tell them something if you take it back tell me, you know. Oh. Me not tell them something if you take it back. This game I can't take it back tell me because one thing with him, them something you not stop take careless things. I'm going to stop take careless things. I not stop take careless things. And them out the door, you know, say every day dancer keep. Dancer, it's a party and cash pot around competition for who can stay along out the door and pack up the days them. I not stop take careless boy. The good set of things them do like work. Ask 25. Ask 25. The good set of things them do want work. I mean not force no boy in ambition. Because sometimes when you force boy in ambition, them get ambitious and leave you. Yeah. Him like lay down, make him lay down. He like to sleep, make him sleep. Yeah. Put a padlock on him. I never put a padlock on him. Him coming like Dorothy from the Wizard of Oz. If him go a shop, him knock him heel back and say there is no place like home. Remember, say me have the I shall return, me have the forced entry and the prison sentence. Me have the tracker in here, so me not ask you, my love. So when you have to walk and chain down your man, I must say falling angel. One you come attack, you go like your hat. You go like man a sing song for your boy ever bust sweat for you yet. You have to about put padlock on my man. Hey girl, move from here somewhere, man. Me not take slave. I hold this, but me have the needle eye. Get away from here, son of what like you want, give me no credit. Me not have no needle eye, me have the blind spot. Me not have no needle eye. A whole heap of girl needle stretch. Yeah, me have the blind spot. Some girl all have 20/20 vision, you can't see far. Me not stay so blind spot. Yeah, how are you? You're the only girl in the world when the people may get tear, or liquid tear me to hold my seal. Go on, my seal tighter than a letter and a parcel. Enough girl, you have to about extra large, you have a triple XL. You have a triple, you walk with a plus size. No, so tell me something. My mother rated them win the lotto. When we win the lotto, me I got left from Moko. Wait, my mother rated them win the lotto. I want to go on here, so. My moderators, I want to go do my body. I want to go do my body since no win lottery. I want to go do my body. I have to go get my hip intact. Yeah, I feel lean. What you mean by my elbow and knee cup after me not ashy? Latin not even when the time cold or dry, me not ashy. It's just me that. Me not ashy. What's on the post? I don't know if I say it fill up on you know. I don't. Huh? No man, no, I don't know if I say it fill up on. I don't know if I say it fill up on. Stop the fighting so early in the morning. Stop the fighting, only little thing on the season. I don't know if I say it fill up on. I quit. You know, say today is my birthday. My happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I hope you get a big cocky in your world tonight. I hope you till it stretch out your mind and leave your jawbones tired, tired, tired. Happy birthday to be real, you want Candy Butters beat me, Candy Butters. Candy. Hey, wanna look at. Wanna want Candy beat me. Hey, Candy, you gonna beat me. Thank you. No, Shana K, you hype. Shana K, you hype. Man, you touch my heart so till me take out my breast and ball upon it. Man, you touch me. Shana K. No, if you don't care, me got #1 Candy, I go class. Me Candy with the lash, I go say, Auntie, best of 6. So, Shana K, wanna leave me alone, I'm gonna play some music. I don't. Aye, Candy Senior. Candy Senior. Are the same thing. Me I from Candy and you come and ask me if me are rank. Yeah, but best of 6. You know, say they want candy class, man. So what you want, man? Yeah, man, they want candy rub up my nastiness. Look here, I don't trouble people. You understand me? I'm gonna go the number one now. Lord, I wonder if Akeem gonna send nobody out for me. Jesus. Akeem, not my fault. Not my fault. Rosalie, no call me name to no more warrior man. Oh. No call me name to no more warrior man, Rosalie. When you say, me just don't call me name. Do not call me name. Oh. I'm not chopper people. Me not chopper people. Oh. Don't call me name. No man, I'm not in a lie. I split a song a while ago. I feel like my panty get creamy. I feel like my panty get creamy. I'm afraid to move because I don't want to slide. I'm going to see men drop me. What Dexter do to me? I say I play that song a while ago and underneath me just a foam. For sure. Underneath me just a foam.
Me no go like girl, me no love you, but you pussy me weak to you. Me just really love you, fuck you, but you.
Next time I say pull up on your man, never grind your pan them song, you pay forward song, you get body with. Where? Move, go pull up. Eh, you wish somebody could have grind your pan this down. Hush.